So it's a 5-meter radius around the clock tower that is being claimed. Here's the historical facts. It was in 1900, the Marquess of Kedleston of Derbyshire, George Cousins, who travelled to India, promised the land to Mr. Sheikh Mohammed, great grandfather of mine, in exchange for our ancestral land that the British Empire had taken. So in exchange for that land, they had made this promise of this land here, and we're here to claim it today. It's all in the letter that he wrote. Eventually the clock tower will get demolished and a shrine will be assembled for people that want to visit that historical monument. So we're actually thinking about calling Grand Designs in this construction from, Grand Designs from Channel 4. The buildings that we're going to make are going to be absolutely amazing. And under international law, these so-called illegal settlements are allowed because it's popping up all over the world. And they're going through the motions of saying it's not allowed, but they're allowing it. So the houses will be constructed right in the middle there. We're going to make a hospital here, a school here. I'll probably make a theme park just on the other side of the clock tower. So once this phase is complete by 2030, we will be naming this plot of land the state of It's Not Real. Of course, it's not connected to any other state in the world. We just thought it was best suited for the current situation. Of course, people will be allowed to visit this location once it's been taken over. It doesn't matter who you are, as long as you agree to obey the same God that we tell you to, follow the commandments set out by him, even if we don't follow them ourselves. Thou shalt not kill, thou shalt not steal, thou shalt love thy neighbour, the standard stuff. And this section will be walled off, and this section here will be walled off, and we'll put some checkpoints over here, here and here, just to make sure that everybody's safe. And at the end of the day, there's going to be a lot of jealous people, so we have to make sure for our own human rights and our own safety that we check everybody that's coming in and out. The state of It's Not Real will be quite a large population which will live in this area, and eventually we will expand the area by a 5-mile radius. And I know a lot of people will be quite upset, but the fact is this is our promised bit of land, and we have every right to claim this land. It's all in the documentation. We kind of keep ourselves free of guilt by making stupid TikTok videos and doing stupid dance trends, just to keep our motivation and keep the spirits high. And if you don't accept this plan, then you're just being a racist and you're committing crimes of talking out your backsideism. And of course, we don't really care about any of your concerns or questions, but we reassure you that we'll carry out internal and private investigations on your behalf. And of course, everything in this video is completely fabricated and is not real, but you are instructed to follow and accept this current situation completely blindly, as you do everything else that's going on in the world today.